Welcome children in bio class. Children, now I am going to teach you economic importance of fungi. Fungi is very important. There are some useful activities of fungi and some are harmful activities of fungi. Useful activities of fungi we have to study under different heads. As first is how fungi useful as food. So some mushrooms are rich source of protein, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrate and fat. So that fungus are used as food. In that is mushroom and morchella. Morchellae gucci and mushroom agaricus, dry yeast. These are edible fungi. Mushrooms are very tasty. They are highly nutritious. They contain protein, vitamins, minerals. So these are used as food. Other is some fungi are involved in fixation of atmospheric nitrogen. So they are involved in nitrogen fixation like Saccharomyces and Rhodotorula fungus are involved in nitrogen fixation. Biological control of pest. Some fungi control disease causing fungi, nematodes, insects and virus by antagonistic reaction. So these fungus control the pest. They are controlling nematodes, insects and viruses. In biological research, also fungi useful. Neurospora crassa is used in genetical researches. Gibberellic acid. Gibberellic acid is obtained from the fungus and gibberellic acid is used to initiate flowering and breaking dormancy. Mycorrhiza fungus is found in the root of gymnospermic plant. Mycorrhiza help to absorb water and minerals from the soil for the plant. There is useful activities of fungus in industries. In baking industries, fungus are used for making bread. So in the bread making industries, there is Saccharomyces cerevisiae fungus is used in the baking industries or bread making industries. This is a kind of yeast. It ferments the sugar and produce carbon dioxide. Other uses in wine industries, wine and alcoholic beverage. So there are fungus, they are fermenting the sugar present in the fruit juice, and after the fermentation producing alcohol. So therefore fungus are used in brewing industries or wine industries for producing alcohol. Next is in cheese making industry. Cheese is a valuable food with high quantities of protein. It contains calcium, phosphorus, vitamin A and vitamin B. Penicillium, camembert and Penicillium roqueforti are used in making cheese. So cheese is manufactured in the 5 major steps. First is curding of milk, second is curd processing, third is salting, and fourth is ripening. Other use of fungus is in the preparation of enzymes and antibiotics. First antibiotic penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming from the fungus. Now children, you have to study some harmful activities of fungi. Fungi destroy industrial products like textiles, paper, leather, rubber or optical instrument and wood. Cotton and or rayons are destroyed by the species of Aspergillus and Penicillium. Paper industry, say Chaetomium torula, destroy paper product. There are some species of Aspergillus and Penicillium, they are destroying leather and rubber products. Aspergillus candida attack on the optical instruments. Polyporus and Ganoderma grow on wood and destroy the wood. Some fungus are poisonous and they are harmful. So they are producing toxic materials. Some fungus are causing disease to the plants, animals and human beings. Like in the plant, the disease which caused by fungus are black stem rust of wheat, leaf blight of potato, red rot of sugarcane, blast of rice. These are the some important plant diseases which are caused by fungus. Now, some disease caused by fungus in animal or ringworms, blastomycosis, athlete's foot. So these are the some disease which caused by fungus in animal. So in this way, fungus are harmful to us.